much do you really know about cows? You might think they're just simple farm animals, but there's more to these creatures than meets the eye. Cows, in all their bovine glory, are complex beings full of surprises. From their emotional depth to their unique digestive system, these gentle giants are a marvel to behold. They even have an impact on our environment and communicate in their own intriguing language. Today, we're going to discover some truly amazing facts about cows that you may not know. Did you know that cows have a rich emotional life, just like us humans? Yes, you heard it right. These gentle giants, often perceived as simple-minded creatures, are far more emotionally complex than we give them credit for. Let's start with their friendships. Cows are highly social animals, forming deep bonds with their peers. They have best friends, and when they're separated, they display signs of anxiety and stress. Just like you would miss your best friend, cows too feel the pang of separation. It's a testament to their emotional capacity, a reminder that loneliness isn't exclusive to humans. But it's not just about their friendships. Cows also react intensely to separation from their offspring. Mother cows have been known to bellow for days, even weeks, when separated from their calves. This heart-rending behavior is a clear demonstration of their profound emotional depth and the strength of their maternal bond, a bond that transcends species. And did you know cows have an impressive long-term memory? They can remember faces and locations for several years. This memory capability is linked to emotions. A cow will remember a place where it has had a pleasant experience and will be happy to return, while a place where it has had a bad experience will be avoided. Moreover, cows experience a wide range of emotions, from joy to sadness, excitement to distress. They express these feelings through vocalizations, body language, and interactions with their environment and their peers. So, you see, cows are not just passive observers of the world, they actively engage with it, forming emotional attachments and responding to their experiences, both positive and negative. Their emotional lives are as rich and complex as ours, which is why they deserve our respect and empathy. So next time you see a cow, remember, they're not just mindless animals, they have feelings too. Their emotional world is as vibrant and complex as ours, a testament to the intricate tapestry of life on our shared planet. Ever wondered why cows are constantly chewing? It's because they have a unique and highly efficient digestive system. You see, cows are ruminants, a type of mammal that has evolved to extract maximum nutrition from plant-based diets, primarily grass. What sets ruminants apart is their stomach, or more accurately, stomachs. Yes, you heard that right. Cows have not one but 4 different stomach compartments, each with a distinctive role in digestion. The first compartment, known as the rumen, is the largest and acts as a fermentation vat. Here, the cow's meal of grass and other plant material is mixed with saliva and populated by microorganisms. These microbes break down the cellulose in the plant matter, a task that many animals, including humans, find impossible. The cow then regurgitates a small amount of this fermented mixture, referred to as cud, back into its mouth for further chewing. This process, known as rumination, helps to break down the plant material even more, making it easier for the microbes in the rumen to do their job. Once the cud is thoroughly chewed, it's swallowed again, this time making its way to the second and third compartments, the reticulum and the omasum. Here, the cud is further broken down, and excess water is removed. Finally, the cud enters the last compartment, the abomasum, which is most like our own stomach. Here, digestive enzymes are added to the mix, breaking down the cud even further and allowing the cow to extract as much nutrients as possible. And there you have it, a full tour of the cow's extraordinary digestive system. It's a complex and efficient process that allows cows to thrive on a diet that most other animals would find indigestible. It's no wonder that in many cultures, cows are revered and respected for their hardy nature and ability to survive in diverse environments. So, in the world of digestion, cows truly are a marvel of nature. Cows have a larger environmental footprint than you may realize. These seemingly placid, grass-munching creatures contribute significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. Cows are ruminants, which means they possess a unique digestive system that allows them to break down hard-to-digest plants. However, this process also produces methane, a potent greenhouse gas that's over 20 times more effective at trapping heat in our atmosphere than carbon dioxide. If we look at the numbers, livestock farming is responsible for around 14% of all human-caused greenhouse emissions, and cows make up a significant portion of this. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? But before we cast the cows as villains in this environmental story, let's also consider their impact on land use. Cows, especially those in free-range systems, often graze on lands unsuitable for other types of farming. These areas, too hilly or rocky for crop cultivation, can still support cattle. In addition, cows can convert grasses and other inedible plants into nutrient-rich milk and meat, providing food where other farming methods might fail. But it's not all black and white. The truth is, current farming practices can be improved to mitigate the environmental impact. For instance, sustainable farming practices, such as rotational grazing, can actually help sequester carbon in the soil, reducing overall emissions. Furthermore, feeding cows certain types of seaweed can reduce the amount of methane they produce. Cows may also contribute to biodiversity. On well-managed pasture lands, their grazing helps maintain a variety of plant species and supports a host of other wildlife, including birds, insects, and small mammals. In essence, cows play a complex role in our environment. They can be part of the problem, but with mindful and sustainable practices, they can also be part of the solution. After all, they're here because of our demand for milk, cheese, beef, and other products. Cows are part of our world's environmental puzzle, for better and for worse. As we continue to grapple with the challenges of climate change, it's clear that we need to consider all the pieces of this puzzle, including our bovine friends. Did you know that cows have their own language? Yes, you heard that right. Cows, those gentle giants we often see grazing in the fields, have a much more complex method of communication than we give them credit for. Research has shown that cows use a variety of sounds to communicate with each other. These sounds are not just random noises, but actually convey specific meanings. For instance, a cow might use a certain type of moo to alert its herd about a nearby predator, or a different moo to call its calf. It's almost like they have their own bovine vocabulary. But the intrigue doesn't stop there. Just like humans have regional accents, cows too can have accents unique to their herd. This was discovered by a team of researchers who noticed that cows in different parts of the country produced slightly different sounding moos. The theory is that cows pick up these accents from their mothers and the other members of their herd, much like how we pick up accents from our families and communities. This discovery of cow dialects has opened up a whole new world of understanding about these creatures. It shows that cows have a much higher level of social complexity than previously thought. They are not just mindless animals, but sentient beings capable of sophisticated communication. It's fascinating, isn't it? The more we delve into the world of cows, the more we realize just how much we have in common with them. They have their own social structures, their own ways of expressing emotions, and even their own languages. It's a humbling reminder that we are not the only creatures on this planet capable of complex communication and social interaction. So the next time you hear a cow's moo, remember, you're hearing a complex form of communication. Each moo is a word, each bellow is a sentence, and each herd has its own unique dialect. The language of cows is a beautiful symphony of sounds that we are only just beginning to understand. So, cows are far more than meets the eye. We've delved into their emotional depths, marveled at their unique, efficient digestive systems, and pondered their environmental impact. We've even dipped our toes into the intricate language of moos and bellows. Each facet of a cow's life is a testament to their complexity and importance in our world. So next time you see a cow, remember these amazing facts and appreciate these incredible creatures for all their complexity.